Good morning students. Up to now we have seen about the substitution reactions in reactivity of metal complexes. Now let us see the trans effect. The name itself many times we have discussed also. Trans is nothing but opposite direction. So here we are speaking about ligands and metals. So ligand. So to replace the ligands is replacing in the square planar complexes with transposition. So that one we call it as what here? Trans effect. So what is trans effect here? The ligand the tendency of a ligand replacing in the tendency of a ligand replacing in a transposition of square planar complexes. What we call is called as trans effect. Okay, so according to polarization electrostatic theory, theory, what we can say, the ligand is replacing in transposition of square planar complexes. We call it as trans effect. So generally square planar complexes means which type of examples will be getting? Platinum, palladium, nickel. So these all are the square planar complexes. So let us take example here. So if you have observed the example, PT NO2 Cl3 minus 2. So this is reacted with NH3. So when we are reacting with NH3, so there will be loss of 1 minus Cl molecule. Okay, so means what? NH2 will come and add. Okay, so means what here? Theoretically we will be getting two products. One is in cis isomer and one is in trans isomer. But experimentally what we should have to get? We should have to get only one product, that is trans isomer. Why? Because we are speaking about only trans effect here. So here if you have written in the presence of square planar, so this is the example Cl3 and NO2. So this is example, upper one only I have written. So how it is forming? It is forming NH3 plus Cl minus Cl, it is losing. So how you will be getting? It is representing as two types of products. This is one product, PT Cl Cl NH3 NO2, which is known as cis isomer. Okay, so means what? The Cl is in same position, and also it can form like this also, no? PT Cl Cl NO2 NH3 means what is this? Trans isomer. So here what happens? If you have observed, it is forming two forms, but we want only trans isomer. So the Cl minus, which is lying trans to NO2 in the PT Cl3 NO2 complex, is more easily replaced by NH3 than the 2Cl minus ions, which is lying cis to NO2 minus. So this is called trans effect. Once again I am saying, see, the Cl minus ion lying trans to NO2. Okay, if you have observed here, the Cl minus in the complex, in this complex the Cl minus is lying what? Trans, opposite to NO2 minus complex, which is more easily replaced by NH3 than the other two Cl minus. Yes or no? So means what? Lying CS NO2 and here CnH3, which can easily replace. So coming to here, it cannot easily replace. So this one we call it as what here? Trans effect. So this is having some examples. So we are having trans series. So trans series is nothing but what means here? The series of common ligands arranged in the decreasing order of their trans effect. So now we will be having some series that is Cn minus, CO, C2H4, NO compared to NOP. Next H minus, CH. So this one is more than this one is more than this. CH, SC, NH3 twice greater than C6H5, NO2, I minus, SCN, Br minus, Cl minus, pyridine, NH3, OH minus, H2O. So means what? It is decreasing. So these molecules will be getting first. So these will be having more trans effect. These compared to these. So at last what will be having? Water molecule. So the ligands which is lying at the high end to low end, what happens? Trans effect decreases. Okay, so means what? It is having vacant pi orbitals. These pi orbitals, what happens? It accept electrons from the metal orbitals and form metal ligand pi bonds. Okay, so these ligands called pi bonding ligands. The trans directing means whatever it is forming pi bonding ligands, it is directing it and increases to form metal ligand pi bond. But some ligands are not like that. They will not form metal ligand pi bonds because they are not able to accept electrons. Orbitals, electrons are metal orbitals of trans effect. So those depends upon the polarizability. Okay, so we will be having some examples, applications here. Applications of trans effect. First example is PT-A2X2. So PT-A2X2 is nothing but what here we'll be taking as Tu as a solvent, thiourea, NH2CSNH2. This is a thiourea. Okay, so how it is going to form means, let us say example PTNH3 NH3 Cl. Okay, so this is a square planar complex, 0 oxidation state we are having. So when this is treated with Tu, thiourea, minus Cl will be lost. Okay, so what you will be getting here? PT, Tu, NH3, Cl you are getting. Square planar complex. So to this compound again what I am adding? Plus Tu and minus NH3 is lost. So here this one you are getting PT NH3 Tu NH3 sorry, we are getting this complex as PT Tu NH3 and Cl. So this is the complex we are getting. So again, if you add Tu and Cl, you will be getting what here? Means again in the place of Cl and Tu, if you combine with 2 Tu minus Cl and minus NH3 will be lost. So you will be getting Tu, 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 Tu. Means which is known as, this is a cis isomer. Means we are getting plus 2. So if you do it in trans isomer, this example is in cis isomer. So if we are doing it in trans isomer here, so PT, NH3, Cl, Cl, NH3. So here it is forming plus Tu minus Cl minus PT, NH3, NH3, Tu, Cl. Okay. So when you add this one, plus Tu minus Cl minus PT, NH3, NH3, Tu, Tu. So this is about trans isomer, which is in transposition. So in cis means we can easily replace compared to trans. So in that only let us take up to, we have taken PTA to X2 type. Yes or no? So we are forming MA4 type. So like this we are getting the compounds. So in the same way we can take in the place of Tu pyridine. So those type of compounds we can represent. And not only this, we can take PT example A to X5. So this is also a trans isomer example. So here also we can take example as PT, Cl2, C2H4, NH3. So by this we can replace the compound from the PTCl4 2 minus. Okay, so means what? First we have to take this one PTCl, PTCl, Cl, Cl. So this is replaced with plus NH3 minus Cl minus. So you will be getting PTCl, NH3, Cl, Cl. So when you add C2H4 minus Cl minus, you will be getting PtC2H4, NH3, Cl, Cl. Cis isomer you are getting. If you have taken in transposition, you will be getting as transposition this one like this, plus C2H4 minus Cl minus, you will be getting Cl, C2H4, Cl, Cl minus. So this is when you treated with NH3, Cl minus, you will be getting PT, Cl, Cl, C2H4 and here NH3. So if you have observed in cis position, what you have did here, first you have added NH3 which can replace easily, then C2H4, and afterwards what you have added in the transposition, you have added C2H4 and here you will be getting trans. So this is about the cis and trans applications. Thank you.